Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will show you 3 simple ways to use FigJam for summarizing and categorizing design feedback. Suppose you have this UI design of a mobile app. It's a food delivery app with a few key sections, such as search field, main content area with products, and a navigation bar. It was designed in Figma, but it has a few UI issues. Let's copy this design and paste it into the FigJam. Now let's select sticky notes and start to annotate our design. First, let's highlight the problem with the placeholder text in search field. As you can see, it says people, not food or restaurants. I categorize this as a usability issue. Add another sticky note, and this time it will be about timestamps. The functional purpose of this element is unclear. It's not a usability issue. Copy the sticky note and use it on the right side of the screen. Here we have a problem with the like button. Because the active state of this button uses a contrasting border, while the idle state has a dim border, it might be unclear whether this button is selected or not. It's better to make it visually distinct by changing the color of the entire button, not just its border. I categorize it as accessibility issue. And finally, let's add another note about the icons in the top bar. Instead of the icons, we have placeholder elements, which look like a problem of UI design. So I will mark it as UI design defect. Now that when we have our design annotated, we can select both design and sticky notes, click Organize, and select Summarize. We will have a nice summary that provides key information about our design and key points from sticky notes. This summary is very helpful when you want to create a better context about your design for team members or stakeholders. Next, let's do another thing. Select Design and Sticky Notes, choose Sort Stickies by, and select Topic. Figma will analyze the information from your sticky notes and categorize it by topics. In my case, it will use categories from the notes, the text after the dash. You can see accessibility, UI, and usability feedback. And yes, Figma can make mistakes when doing this. So in my case, it created 2 categories with usability feedback. But we can easily fix it by moving the stickies. Finally, you can use FigJam for quick ideation. Copy one of the sticky notes, the one that describes accessibility issue, and paste it into the empty area. Click plus and choose Jambot. Connect the sticky note to the Jambot. This will create a context for the bot. And click Ideate. The tool will start to analyze the information you have in a sticky note, and it will generate some ideas on how to solve this problem. In my case, it says customize border, add animation, use a different style, and so on. This input can be very valuable at the early stages of problem solving, so you can treat it as additional ideas that you got for free. And that's all. Let me know what you think about these cases in the comments. Thank you!